crafters, Lisa here from Fun Stuff Crafts. So glad you could join me for another Inspiration Friday. So this week is going to be my second in a series of looking at what type of projects will be fun to make at our Christmas market in December in my local town here. And so I decided it's Christmas in July. It's a perfect time to try out. So this week is another super easy project. And I really hope you stay tuned and check it out. I can't wait to show you how cute that it turned out. But hey, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and click on the bell, and YouTube should alert you each time I upload a new video. We try to do it every Friday. That's why we call it Inspiration Friday. So give me a second. I'm going to get my camera angle changed. I'm going to meet you over at the workbench, and we are going to put together a quick and easy project that is great for gift giving, or I'll give you a hint, great to display some really cute pictures. Let's get started with this project. So this is going to be the second one in my series of testing out projects for our Christmas market. Again, it's Christmas in July, so let's go ahead and see what we can come up with. So another quick and easy project. What I'm going to use is I picked up a frame from Dollar Tree, and we're going to be using that. I went into my stash and I picked up just a piece of, it's not even scrapbook paper, it's actually stationery, but scrapbook paper would work, material would work, anything like that. So I got that. I picked up a few embellishments that I had from my stash also. A couple clothespins. You could also use binder clips. I just thought the clothespins would be really cute. I've got a bunch of those in my stash. I am going to be using my glue gun. I'm going to put that back over to get it warmed up. I'm going to be using a little bit of jute, and so I've already cut that off of my jute jar. And then the other thing that I'm going to be using is, I don't know if you guys have tried this out yet. This is a new water-based acrylic spray paint. I picked it up at Walmart, and I just love how it comes out. So we're going to be using that. In fact, this frame that I have right here, I am going to be painting it, which I've already done, just to save time. So here is what I ended up with, and I'm sorry my light's showing up there above us. I just gave it a quick coat of white paint because I wanted to have a white finish on this cute little picture frame. So I am going to go ahead and take the back off. And I just want to show you how easy this one comes together. So this string is going to be what's going to help hold our pictures up. So what we're going to do is we're going to very carefully remove the glass. And then I'm going to put the string right about where I want my pictures hanging. And it doesn't have to be tight. It can be a little loose. And then I'm going to put my glass back on. Then I'm going to, then you can play with a little bit. Then I'm going to take my stationery paper that I have. Okay, I've already tested this out, so I've got a little piece of tape right there. And what I'm going to do is I am going to secure my string with just a piece of tape on the back. Really simple and easy. And then I'm going to put the back on. And I like this frame because it stands up. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put that back on. And there we have our new frame with our string on it. So we're going to set that off to the side for just a second, because what I want to do is I wanted to dress up my clothespins. Now this is going to be a frame I'm going to use to display pictures of my new granddaughter. And so I originally just thought, oh, I'll just go with the pink clothespins. But you know what? I really thought these little burlap daisies were so cute. And so I decided I wanted to add those onto my frame. So I'm going to go ahead and use all of them. And what I'm going to do is, first off, we're going to take a dab of glue and we're going to put it on the back. I think I'm going to go with one of these. And then I'm just going to put it on the clothespin. So that way when I display her cute little pictures, they will show up being clipped with these cute little clips. What I love about this idea too is you can interchange pictures, because my granddaughter is only a little over 2 months old and she's changing so much already. So I've got some pictures here. I really apologize for that light I've got above us. I've got some pictures here and I'm going to be hanging those. And so what I thought would be cute is to put those other daisies down below. So I'm going to go ahead and just use a little bit of my glue from my glue gun and put those right on the glass. Now, the other thing you guys could do is you could use stickers. Pick up some from the dollar store. You could use little transfers. I mean, all different things. Whatever you guys would want to do to add to your little frame. And I thought this one would be such a fun idea to do at our market. I might not do this extra step with the little, with the glue gun, because sometimes the glue gun is not friendly when we're at a market like that. But look how cute this is going to be. And so simple, you guys. How simple was that project? So basically all I did is spray paint my frame. I used my acrylic spray. I did that earlier today, let it dry completely. And now my frame is ready to be displayed. So if you like this project or this idea, give it a thumbs up. I'll give you a better view of it so it doesn't have that glare from my window in it. And thanks so much for joining me for another Inspiration Friday. And here's how that cute frame turned out. I just love it and I can't wait to display Riley's pictures on this. I hope you liked this Inspiration Friday. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And hey, if you're looking for other DIY type projects, don't forget to check out my blog at funstuffcrafts.com for other inspirational ideas.